Today's topic is hyperbolic functions. In the first one, sin hx equal to 3 by 4. Then find sin hx. So from sin hx we have to find first cos hx. For that relation between sin hx and cos hx. So we know that cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. From this, cos h square x equal to 3 minus sin h square x, that becomes 1 plus sin h square x. Now substitute the value 1 plus sin h square x. Sin h is 3 by 4. Sin square h square x is 9 by 16. By taking 16 LCM, 16 plus 9 25. So 25 by 60. This is cos h square x. Now cos hx is 5 by 4. What we require? Sin h to x. Sin h to x we require. For this formula we have sin h to x equal to 2 sin hx into cos hx. That is 2 in sin hx value is 3 by 4 and cos hx value is 5 by 4. So 2 1 gets cancelled. 15 by 8. Tan hx is equal to 3 by 5. Then find cos hx. Now cos hx in terms of tan hx. Cos hx is equal in terms of tan 1 plus tan h square x by 1 minus tan h square x. But normal trigonometric function cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. But in hyperbolic functions this is different. Numerator is positive and denominator is negative. Now substitute the value 1 plus tan h square x is 3 by h is 3 by 4 by squaring we get 9 by 15 by 1 minus 9 by 15. In numerator 25 is also 25 plus 9 30 goes. In denominator also 25 LCM 25 gets cancelled. Now 25 minus 9 is 16. So divided into 2 we get 17 by 8. Secant theta cos hx is secant theta given. Then find tan h square x by 2. Tan h square x by 2 value. So above formula, this is multiple angle and this is submultiple angle. Cos hx here cos hx. For multiple angle 1 plus tan h square x by 1 minus tan h square x. For submultiple angle cos hx equal to, write the formula for submultiple angle cos hx. If we have 2 here, here only h will get. If we have h only, here we get h by x by. That means 1 plus tan h square x by 2 by 1 minus tan h square x by 2. Now cos h square is given. What is cos h is given? Secant theta. Substitute secant theta. Secant theta equal to 1 plus tan h square x by 2 by 1 minus tan h square x by 2. Now cross multiply. Secant theta into 1 secant theta. Secant theta minus tan h square theta. Secant theta tan h square x by 2 is equal to denominator. Its denominator. That is 1 plus tan h square x by 2. Now secant minus secant theta tan h square x by 2 in that side and 1 this side. That remains secant theta minus 1 equal. By taking minus secant theta tan h square x by 2 that side becomes plus. From these two terms bring tan h square x by 2. Then remains 1. Here plus minus becomes plus secant theta. We require tan h square x by 2 value. So 1 plus secant theta bring this side becomes tan h square x by 2 is equal to secant theta 1 by 1 plus secant theta. Now secant theta means 1 by cos theta. So by taking cos theta LCM, we get 1 minus cos theta. In denominator of 1 plus secant theta we have secant theta means 1 by cos theta. So cos theta by taking LCM, cos theta plus 1. Numerator is cos theta and denominator is cos theta. LCM cancel. Then remains 1 plus cos theta. Now we know normal trigonometric function 1 minus cos theta formula is 2 sin square theta by 2 by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta. 2 to cancel, sin square by cos square, tan square theta by. Is equal to secant alpha. Then find cosecant hx. Cosecant hx value we require. Now from cos hx we have to find the sin hx value. We know that relation cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. Now sin h square x equal to sin h square x minus term to the side and 1 this side. Cos h square x minus 1. That is it. What is cos hx value given secant alpha? Squaring it, we will get secant square alpha minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 is tan theta, that is tan square alpha. Sin h square x is tan square alpha. Sin hx equal to tan alpha. Therefore we require cosecant hx. Cosecant hx is reciprocal of sin. Cosecant is for that cosecant hx 1 by sin hx. That means 1 by tan alpha. So 1 by tan theta is cot theta. 1 by tan alpha cot alpha. 1 plus cos h x. This is equal to in terms of tan. Answer is given in terms of tan. For that, sin h2x formula is 2 sin hx cos hx by 1 plus cos h2x formula cos h square x plus sin h square x. That is 2 sin hx into cos hx by 1 plus sin h square x. Cos h square x minus sin h square x is 1. So cos h square x equal to minus term in the side becomes 1 plus sin h square. So 1 plus sin h square is cos h square. Already we have cos h square becomes 2 cos h square. 2 cos h x will come cancel. Sin by cos tan h x plus sin h to x in terms of tan hx. 1 minus tan h to x by 1 plus tan h to x. 1 plus tan hx by 1 minus tan hx like that formulas. First, cos hx. What is hyperbolic function of cos? Cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. And sin hx is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Now here we have cos h to x plus sin h to x. By adding this we get cos hx plus sin hx equal. Denominator 2 is LCM. So add numerators. E power x plus e power minus x by e power x minus e power minus x. E power minus x term cancel, plus and minus. E power x plus e power x 2 e power x. 2 to cancel. So cos hx plus sin hx is remember e power x. Similarly, cos hx minus sin hx equal. By subtracting e power x value cancel, we get e power minus x, e power minus x 2 times. So 2 e power minus x by 2 to cancel. That means cos hx plus sin hx is e power x. Cos hx minus sin hx is e power minus x. Apply that formula here, but instead of x we have 2x. So cos hx plus sin hx is e power x. So it becomes e power minus. So by equation, our answer is not in terms of e power x. Our answer is in terms of tan hx. So substitute tan hx value also similarly. By verification, substitute sin hx by cos hx. Tan hx is sin hx by cos hx. By taking cos hx LCM we get cos hx plus sin hx by tan hx. Write as sin by cos. So by taking cos hx is LCM cos hx minus sin hx. Now what is cos hx plus sin hx? E power x by cos hx minus sin hx e power minus x. E power x is in that side, so it will be in the numerator, and e power x plus e power x equal to. So e power x equal to e power x. Sin x into cos hx is cos hy is cos theta, and cos x into sin hy equal to sin theta. Then sin h square by value. Now we know that the relation between sin and cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Now cos theta value and sin theta value given, substitute. Cos theta is sin x cos hy. Cos square theta is by squaring we get sin square x cos h square y plus sin square theta value. Sin theta is cos x sin h y. By squaring it we get cos square x into sin h square y equal to. We require the value of sin h square y. This value we require. For that, cos h square y convert in terms of sin. We know that cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. So cos h square y write as sin square x also. Sin square x sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square x is 1 minus cos. Next cos h square y. Cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. From this cos h square y equal to 1 plus sin h square x. Sorry, h square y plus this term remains the same. Cos square x into sin h square y equal to. Now multiply 1 into 1 plus 1 into sin h square y sin h square y minus cos square x minus cos square x minus cos square x into sin h square y minus cos square x into sin h square y. This term remains same plus cos h square x sin h square y is equal to. So this is minus term plus term cancel. Now 1 also cancel. Now sin h square y will require. Then remains here sin h square y minus cos square x equal to 0. We require sin h square y minus cos square x in that side becomes plus cos square x. X equal to log of tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. From this my logarithm definition, from this e power x equal to, removing log, e power x equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. For our convenience, this angle pi by 4 plus theta by 2 consider it as a. So becomes tan a, e power x becomes tan a. Next, e power minus x equal to, e power minus x is 1 by e power x, that is 1 by tan a. So it is reciprocal of cot a. Now what we require? Cos hx actually required. Cos hx equal to basic formula e power x plus e power minus x by 2. That is e power x. What is e power x? Tan a plus e power minus x is cot a by 2. We learn one formula for tan a plus cot a in multiples and submultiples. So tan a plus cot a is 2 cosecant to a. Numerator value is 2 cosecant to a, and denominator 2 is 2 gets cancelled. Cosecant to a remains, but theta by 2. So substitute a value cosecant 2 into what is here we taken pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Pi by 4 plus theta by 2. That is cosecant multiplied with 2 we get 5 by 2 plus theta. So 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive.